If you don't have the access to gym, don't worry about it. I'm going to give you some science-baked easy protocols to extend your fat burn and to give you the sound recovery, peace of mind and mental health along with the glowing skin by heat or cold or both. So let's start with the heat. If you have the access to a regular sauna, as per the latest meta-analysis, heat can actually make you stronger. It can detox you naturally and it is going to give you the glowing skin because it activates the heat shock proteins, your body's natural anti-aging and repair mechanism. It gets activated the moment you come under some kind of heat, and here I'm talking about the sauna. It can be infrared sauna or it can be traditional sauna. Those who took saunas over 80 degrees Celsius 5 times a week has all-cause risk of dying from any disease comes down by whopping 40%, and it gives a real boost to brain degeneration. It is excellent for your health. And next is the cold exposures triggers the brown fat and it improves the mood and tighten the skin. If you're looking for the tight skin and any anti-aging protocol, this can be a good option. Either hot, or you can do alternate 3 days of hot, 3 days of cold, or you can do the contrast therapies. Also, the moment you go from steam or sauna to any cold chamber or any cold shower, you actually given a natural boost to your system. It's called the contrast therapy. It is excellent for the brain blood flow, fast recovery, fat burn and mental clarity. Now heat options: steam bath at home. So if you don't have the option for steam bath, use a bucket, hot steam towel for 10 to 15 minutes. Next is sauna access. Great, use 2 to 4 times. The temperature is 79 degrees Celsius. Duration is under 20 minutes and the frequency can be 2 to 5 days per week. Next is, if you don't have anything, just wear a sweat suit or heavy hoodie while working out and you'll stimulate and you are going to increase the detox. The moment you sweat profusely, this is one of the key way to detox naturally. Next, I'm going to give you some cold options also. Fill a ball with water, ice and dunk face for 20 to 30 seconds. It is one of the very easy way for tightening the skin and to reduce stress. Next is cold showers. Just 1 to 2 minutes of cold shower is going to improve the circulation and it is going to burn the fat by activating the brown fat. Next is frozen towel on your neck or on your head. After the workout or the hot session, just give a mini cold shock to your system and you are going to get the same benefits. If you want to take couple of references where this research is coming, Dr. Rindra Patrick, sauna 4 times per week lowers heart disease by 40%. Next, the Huberman Lab is also very much in favor of getting the cold exposures. As per the Huberman Lab, the cold exposures and dunking your face into ice water can actually increase your dopamine by up to 250%. It's all backed by science and it's going to sustain for long hours. Next is Journal of Dermatology. Ice face dunks reduce the puffiness and it boosts the face glow very nicely. So next is UV and sunscreen clarification. That's very important. Number 1 is morning sunlight before 10 a.m. It's that important. It's going to reset the circadian rhythm along with the vitamin D. Plus it's going to switch on your many mechanisms in the body from hormonal balance to energy balance. Afternoon UV rays post 11 harsh, avoid it. It may cause the skin aging. Use a cap when you go out after 11 or you can wear the sunscreen. Next is sauna and steam. Sauna and steam, they don't emit the UV rays. It's safe for your skin and it's a latest anti-aging protocol. Next is use sunscreen, minimum SPF 30. If you're stepping out after 10 a.m. there is strong UV rays, so it's important to use a sunscreen. So the action point, do 10 to 20 minutes of steam or sauna alternate days at home. Next is wear a sweat hoodie if you don't have the access to anything, just to create a natural detox. Go out and run and sweat profusely because the more sweat channels you open, the more body get cleansed. Last not the least, morning sunlight is the sunshine vitamin. Go out before 10 and if you go out after 11, use some sunscreen or use a cap. I've given you the whole checklist. You can do whatever you want, pick and choose. There's nothing fixed formula here. So comment reset. I'll DM you a simple step-by-step hot and cold protocol so that you can be a stronger, sharper version of yourself and be healthier. Love you.